Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve unable to delete a folder or you require permissions from system to make changes to this folder. So when you see the message you require permissions from system to make changes to this folder, it means that the system user a built-in account with the highest level of privilege and Windows owns or has exclusive control over the folder. So you can't delete it or make changes because your current user account, even if it's an administrator, doesn't have the necessary permissions. This often happens when system critical folders that the Windows needs to protect from accidental or malicious modifications. Then I'll show you on how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to delete or modify the folder, and you need to take ownerships. So the first method we will do is to take ownerships. On how to do that, then we need to open this file explorer here, and then here at the desktop, then you need to select in which folder you want to modify. So for example, this is the new folder that we need to modify. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then select this properties, and then here at desktop properties, then we need to navigate to security tab. So you need to select this security tab and then click, and then here now at security tab, and then on right side corner, then you can see this advanced settings, and then you need to click, and then here at advanced security settings for desktop, and then next step, then look for the owner field and click change. So this is the owner name, and then you need to tap or click this change, and then another tab here, so select user or group. So this is the next method that we're going to do is to change the owner. So on how to do that, then here at select user or group type, so here now at enter the object name. So all you have to do is to type your username. So for example, we need to type this administrator, and then once you type your username or administrator here, then next step, on right side, then you can see this check names, and then you need to click. Then next step, then you need to click this OK, and another again tab here. Then next step, so make sure to check the box that say replace the owner before clicking apply and OK. So this will give your account ownerships to the folders and everything inside. So you can see now here at the owners and then administrator, then you need to check this box, replace owner on subcontainers and object. Alright? And then next method that we're going to do is to change the permissions. So after clicking this checkbox here, then you need to click apply, and then you need to click OK. And the next method that we're going to do is to change the permissions. So after taking ownership, you may need to go back to the advanced security settings and explicitly grant your user account full control. Right, so here now at the advanced settings here, permissions for everyone, and then you need to click this edit here, and then another folder here that permissions for desktop, and then here at permissions for everyone, and then you need to check this allow full control. So same with modify, read, execute, list folder, and read. Check this allow, and then you need to click apply and click OK. Alright, so after here, and then we need to close, and then we need to restart this PC by clicking here the power button here at left side corner. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.